Hello and welcome to the Fibonacci free video for Friday, November 18th. This is David. And on Monday, we were looking at this NASDAQ, right? It had come up and just touched this Voodoo Fireline. And we talked about how this was an important spot, not only because it was a Voodoo Fireline, but because it was roughly equal legs up from the October low, as well as the upper edge of a channel that we create by drawing a trend line connecting this October 13th low with the November 3rd low, and then a parallel line through the swing high in between. And you can see that as of Monday, we just came up to that. Now, it just so happened that Tuesday gapped up well above those levels, but it couldn't hold, right? And it came right back below them. Look, this remains a really important spot, and I want you to keep an eye on it, right? I don't know for sure what's going to happen here. This could get above these levels, and if it gets above and tests and holds resistance above this channel line, which would, of course, mean, or sorry, holds support above this channel line, which would of course, require it to have support somewhere above the coincidence of the fire line and the equal leg up measures, then we might be in a situation where this is off to the races to the upside. But if it continues to find resistance in this area, and especially then if it came down and could get below this channel center line, then I think we're looking back towards below the October lows. So keep an eye on which side this chooses. It is sloppy action, and it could get sloppier over the coming days. Right around Thanksgiving time is when a lot of technical analysis signals do get sloppy, so be aware of that. But I would keep an eye on this area for clues as to whether we are getting ready to break out and keep going higher, in which case we'll look for pullbacks to buy, or if we're turning back down, in which case we'll be looking for bounces to sell. That's what I have here for this evening. I hope you found it useful, and I will see you at the next update. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.